What is going on? Your boy is back. Welcome to episode 2 of my training tutorial. Guys, if you did enjoy the last one, make sure you hit that like, comment, and subscribe. You can comment about anything, guys. It's a new year. We got new goals kicking in. I'm gonna stay as active as possible and let's make 2019 a great and positive one. So today we have spider curls. Spider curls are such a great movement. With spider curls, again, we don't have to go crazy heavy with the weight. So we're still working with time and attention here. Most of you that watched my last or previous video would know that we're working with some squeezing for isometric holds and some slow concentric movements. So we're still working on that activation part. Our next episode, we might hit some triceps, we might hit some other muscle groups, but I'm starting off with arms because I do love arms and most of you know arms day every day. Make sure you keep up to date with my Instagram, guys. It's at kwameduah, KWAMEDUAH. Let's make 2019 a huge one. As you guys will know, feeling the muscle, mind-muscle connection is such a big thing. And this is why I want to emphasize on it, because a lot of people train. You can be doing a bicep curl, but you might not be growing because you might be using more of your joints than the muscle. So this is where this workout kicks in, and this is where this workout helps you. Today we're going to be doing some spider curls, making sure we actually set in the bench up high enough so when we do the curl, it doesn't touch the bench, okay? So guys, our main focus is getting the full extension, getting a stretch in the arms while we do this exercise. Now make sure you do have a nice warm up before you start this, okay? So make sure you're keeping our arms and elbows in that straight position. Try to get less movement. Now we're gonna control the weight up really slowly, okay? We're gonna come up over 10 seconds, okay? Really, really slow control. When we come up, we're going to have a 2-second isometric hold and then come down controlled. Now our coming down phase is only about 3 or 4 seconds, so nothing crazy, but our coming up phase is what we're focusing on. Now what we're doing here is we're focusing on the contractile aspect of the movement. We're trying to get that focus in our arms, we're trying to feel our arms while we work, okay? So 10 seconds up, I'm just going to do a set for you guys to see.
Damn, Donnie, looking swole, bro.
Man, that Zumba's been paying off, man. Alright?
No, it's actually ballet.
Your boy Kwame here. I'm here with my boy Donnie. Donnie is getting closer and closer to competition. He's looking insane. Still got a long time to go, but we're gonna kick this. 2019, we're coming for you. It's been good, man. This guy works hard. Definitely super proud of him, and yeah, man.
It feels awkward talking to you in my underwear.
But guess what? My boyfriend is here. I love him, Maya. Hey. First ever YouTube video to go viral was with these two. So these guys made it happen. These guys made it happen. So I'm looking forward to 2019. These guys have got amazing goals set. What do you got planned, man?
Well, in August I'm going to Bahamas to compete for the World Championship again.
Oh yeah, you hear that, guys? World Championship.
And then I'm going to come back to Australia to defend my title in October.
So just come again, what title do you have now at the moment?
Right now I'm the WBFF Australian Fitness Model Champion.
Oh my God. Damn. Hit me. That's like electric.
Thank you, bro. Thank you, bro.
Nah, dude, amazing work, man. Seriously. Happy work, man.
I couldn't have done it without you, though.
Thanks, man. Really talented as well, because you went to the Worlds as well, didn't you?
Yeah.
As well.
I came second.
Amazing.
So I got my pro card.
And what, that was your first ever competition, right? First ever competition pro card. My God. Seriously? And like a lot of people say gifted, but there's a lot of hard work. So
It was a lot of work.
it's a lot of work, and you know, you gotta check out Freshen and Maya's page on Instagram, follow them, because when you see them working, you can see like, you know, everything that goes through, because a lot of people see like, you know, the complete physique, the amazing physique, but they don't see the work that goes behind it. And that's one of the most important things. You guys start to appreciate that more. So it's always really good to have fresh Maya in the house. It's awesome. I'm looking forward to it. Looking forward to it.
Do another leg session.
Oh, so part 2 of that leg session is coming soon, and it's gonna be awesome.